Alright guys, hey, welcome back to nikobrothers. So today we're continuing the build on the Subaru. So our next step would be basically to mount the tires onto the rims, and then we get the rims and tires onto the Subaru so we can get it out and prep for paint. A lot of work ahead of us. Let's not waste any time, let's get it done.
Alright guys, so we finally got the tires in, and we went with a 245 4018, and it looks like it's we should run it wider. So I might have a little bit of a stretched look.
Wow.
Well, let's get these things mounted up and see if we can actually test drive this car or drive it for the first time. So here we have it. We lower the car. The suspension's still a little bit, I guess, not unsprung it all the way yet. We haven't rolled it around yet, but that's looking really good. I'd say that's not that bad at all. The fitment's looking really good. But now we can actually go for our first test drive. So let's get the jump box, start it up, and drive it.
All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing running. We're gonna drive it around and get it all washed up and ready for paint. We got a lot of dust and debris going on, so it definitely needs to be washed, but let's see how it dries. I mean, definitely our first test drive on it. Probably hasn't run in a long time since the accident, but hope it goes well. See what happens.
Okay, so here we are. We're inside the paint booth. We got all the little parts taken off and sanded down and scuffed up and taped up. So we're gonna repaint the rear bumper, the spoiler, the side skirts, and the front bumper, and the little Toho thing. But first thing we're gonna do is gonna wipe it down, put some Bulldog on it, some sealer, and some base. Okay guys, so just like that, we got everything painted inside the paint booth. We got the bumpers, the side skirts, the mirrors, everything turned out really good. We had some base on it, about 2 to 3 coats, 3 coats of pearl, 2 coats of clear, and we're done, just like that. And it turned out really nice. I like the way it turned out. So we're now ready to get the car inside. Let's tape up the car and get that thing painted. Let's knock it out. All right, so here we have it. We got the car finally taped up. A lot of taping. Ready to wipe it down, get some wax and grease on it, and then get some sealer on it, and start painting. But a lot of progress, and it's coming out nice. Check that out. Got about 3 coats of base on this. It's looking really good. It's one of my favorite colors, pearl white. So now we're getting ready for the pearl. So 3 coats of this, and we'll be ready to put some clear on. So let's put the coats on. Alright, so just like that, we got 3 coats of pearl on it. It's looking really good. Looks like the color definitely changed. Can you guys see the difference? We're gonna let this flash a little bit, and we are ready for our clear. So we're gonna get 2 coats of clear on it, and this thing's gonna shine. right, so here we have it. We finally finished it up. We got the car all painted and we got it untaped. And it's looking good. One nice color. Really, really happy with it. Look at that. We're gonna leave the doors open for right now. But check that out. It's looking clean. So we'll catch you guys in the morning.
All right, guys, the paint job turned out fantastic. It's looking fabulous out here in the sun. The pearl white, looks really good. I love it. But basically, we're gonna give it a day or two just to settle. We don't wanna start working with it, start assembling a little later, because we don't wanna, we gotta let it rest. It's okay, let it cure properly. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned till next time. We're gonna put this thing together and get on the road soon.